Hey guys, I want to get on and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. I'm going to be starting, first of all, I want to let you know that I'm going to be starting doing a little bit more cooking, baking, a little bit more of the things in the kitchen, and I'll be starting that pretty soon. So take a watch for that, if you will. And I wanted to talk to you about something. Um, we have had family, friends, acquaintances that have had news, bad news, news about health wise, or it could be about family, or it could be about friends, or anything it could be that makes them very anxious, makes them worry about it. Don't, if you're one of the people that are worried about this, that, and the other, about things that you have no control over, think about this. Don't let precious, precious, precious time pass when you're worrying about things that you have no control over. And I'm talking about this mainly about health. Sometimes we'll get a diagnosis on something and we don't know what the outcome will be. But to take precious time away from life, of enjoying your life, enjoying your time with family, with friends. Now, there'll be days that you don't feel good. There's going to be days that you feel better than others. There's going to be questions that you need to ask your doctor or your provider, and just you cannot worry about, you should not worry. You say, Kay, that's easy for you to say. No, it's not easy to say because I know I've been there. I know there's days that I have felt really, let me push you back a little bit, um, that I've not felt the best in different situations and tell things and things that have happened to me. I remember when I was 19 years old, I could not walk. I don't know if I've ever even told you this on YouTube, but I was 19 years old and I could not walk. I started with something that they questioned, they didn't know what it was. I thought first it was a vertigo thing, then I just didn't know. Well, put long story short, they did a spinal tap to make sure I didn't have a brain tumor. They just tried to rule out everything that they could rule out at 19 years old. I had one doctor to come in and told me that I probably never walk again. It took me 6 months, but I walked again. As you know, I'm walking. They don't know. They had I had a real high fever, and it was like some kind of inflammation. They don't know exactly what happened. It was in the base of my brain that I had to learn to walk again. I took therapy, physical therapy, I think it was 3 times a day, then went to 2 times a day, then once a day, then once every other day, then once a week. But it took me 6 months, but I walked again. See, you don't know things that I've been through because I've just never shared them, but I had to have the attitude that I was going to walk again. And that day, or any day that I was not feeling well or whatever, I had to have the attitude. At 19, I got that attitude real early of trying to think about what I can do to make people feel better and not make them feel bad, and say things and be kind and be loving and sharing. I got it. I don't know how I got it. I don't know. I have no idea how I got that in myself, my way I am. I don't know how I did that. My twin's a lot like that as well. She's that way. We not intentionally would ever want to hurt your feelings or be mean to you or unkind to you. We live one day at a time. Love life. Get up. Last night, the day before, 3 months ago, a week ago, whatever, I may have not been feeling well. And I may have been really not just feeling sick. just feeling sick. But I am going to have the attitude, it's just another day, and I'm going to feel better. This is the way I have to feel. I have to be that way. It's me. I'm not going to dwell on it. I'm not going to dwell on that, this is a bad day. I'm having chronic pain. What's going on with me? Unless it's really something urgent, something that I feel like I need to go to the doctor or something. But these little aches and pains and things, I say little. It may be little to you, but it might be major to me. Or it might be major to you and little to me. I don't know. But I just want to let you know, don't let precious, beautiful, wonderful, wonderful time take away from your precious time with friends, family, acquaintances, co-workers, whoever it is, church people, going in, keeping that smile, keeping that positive attitude. You gotta think about you've got to be the most positive and most kind person you can be. I love you guys. I hope you have a great day, a happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. I say it over and over. Please be kind. When you leave this earth, let them remember you from your kindness and your love. Until tomorrow.